Good evening. We'll have more on those stories in just a moment, but first here at 6, within the last hour, a judge has ruled that the state's unemployment department is in contempt of following a court order. Thanks for joining us. I'm Denise Valdez.
Good evening. I'm Brian Loftus. That order was to pay certain unemployment claimants in July. Joe Moeller has been closely following this lawsuit. He's live with what happened in today's hearing. Joe?
Yeah, well, this virtual court hearing went on throughout the entire day, and it wrapped up just shortly after 5. Now, this is in regards to a certain amount of PUA claims that had started, the payments started, and then they stopped for one reason or another. Well, the court ordered DETR to correct payments for thousands, but today the judge said they did not follow that order. We heard from a number of witnesses, including DETR employees and 3 claimants who had their payments stopped. A DETR employee even went over those claims and even tried to explain why they were stopped. Now, the judge thinks there is a certain group of people that needs to be paid. Now, the court imposed a $1,000 fine and then issued yet another court order demanding the state to pay those people no later than 3 weeks from today.
I am doubling down on the court's prior order of mandate. I'm directing the state today to pay those people that I've just identified no later than 3 weeks from today. That being, and it's not lost on the court what day that is, December 24th.
Now, Judge Barry Breslow did say the timeline set in the summer was not long enough. During the hearing, we heard from a once retired employee who was brought back recently. He said possibly the only way for DETR to meet that previous court order was to initiate a blanket approval of claims. Again, these payments are for a certain amount of PUA claimants who had payments stopped and then started for one reason or another. Those are supposed to be corrected within the next 3 weeks. The next court hearing is set for December 31st. Reporting live, Joe Moeller, 8 News Now.